Okay, so I was involved in an accident, and I don't know if my car is totaled. I'm not able to open this. It might be repairable, but it looks like it might be $1,000. That's actually what this vehicle cost. I'm a little traumatized by this. As you can see, this has been broken open. I was lucky enough to be able to get it pulled off the road. I had insurance at the time of the accident, and I'm going to have to call the insurance company now. I don't know what I'm going to do. Obviously, I'm not going to Colorado this week. Obviously, I'm stuck in Portland. So I'm documenting this right now, this accident. I'm going to upload it and see what people think I should do.